Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 434. The number 434 is a combination of the energies and qualities of the number 4 and the number 3. The number 4 shows up twice, which makes its effects stronger. Number 4 is about being practical and using what you know, working hard and being responsible, planning, building strong foundations for yourself and others, traditional values, being honest and having integrity, and working hard and being determined to reach your goals. The number 4 also has something to do with our drive, passion, and purpose, as well as the archangels. The number 3 carries the vibrations of the ascended masters and resonates with courage, forgiveness, skills and talents, open-mindedness, manifestation and achievement, self-expression and communication, optimism and enthusiasm, growth and expansion. Angel number 434 is a sign that your prayers and positive affirmations have been heard and are being answered at the right time. Keep your faith and trust in the universe's goodness, because the hard work and effort you've put into reaching your goals and fulfilling your life's purpose has made it so that your prayers, wishes, and desires will come true. The angels tell you to keep doing good things and to expect miracles. Angel number 434 is a message from your angels that the creativity and joy you put into your work and daily life has brought about positive energies that make things go smoothly for you. Your angels applaud your efforts and encourage you to continue on your current path. Know that the work you do is very important and that your hard work and determination have brought you many blessings. Angel number 434 tells you that you have important things to do and achieve in this life. Use your powerful energies to reach your goals and pursue your life's purpose. Choose the path that feels right to you and have faith that you are on the right path. Develop a loving, peaceful relationship with yourself and always trust yourself. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.